Hi, I'm Cynthia Nessel at Create With Cynthia, a DIY hobby and craft blog where I share DIYs and step-by-step tutorials for the vintage enthusiasts. I love vintage. I love old doorknobs, spindle legs, irons, old jewelry. Anything that looks chippy is the way I like to paint. And I love having my boys. I love it when they're happy and they're playing together. Hurry up! And I love my dogs, my two little puppies. This channel is an expression of who I am and what I love to do. My hope is that you'll be inspired to create with me. So grab a cup of coffee, take a seat, and let's get started. Today I'm here to show you how to make a really cute reindeer kitchen towel. So I have been making a lot of different kitchen towels for my friends and family this holiday season, and this one just really is, in my opinion, super cute. So we're gonna make it. So that's what it looks like. And let me tell you what you need. They have these cute gauzy towels over at IKEA. They were only 97 cents. They're real thin material. I would suggest washing it first. And so I would just, pick up as many as you want. That's the first thing you need. The second thing you need is a Maker Studio Gel Art ink. This is a new product out there, and it will adhere really well to fabric. And it comes in 13 different colors. You can find the Gel Art ink through Maker Studio on my website, createwithcynthia.com. And then the third thing you'll need is, for this particular towel, I used the deer head stencil, which comes in a package like this. It's the deer head stencil. And I also used, for the ornaments, I used a stencil that's called 'Tis the Season. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, this is a project that has to be done in stages. Put the reindeer on the towel first, and we're going to do the greenery as well. Okay, so you're going to take your scraper and you're going to apply your Gel Art ink to your scraper. For the reindeer, this one is brown. It's called Slow as Molasses, but I really like the gray as well. So you would apply your Gel Art ink onto your scraper and scrape it all on in the gray or the brown color. Then you can clean your scraper off with paper towel and do the leaves down here in the green color. And then when you pull it up, you'll have this nice design here. Okay, I already did that part of it. So the next part is to add the ornaments to his ears, like they're dangling. So when you're gonna stencil, you want to make sure that you have one side that's sticky and one side that's not sticky. That's why they're called adhesive. So you want to put the sticky side down. You want to make sure your towel's lined up correctly. You also want to make sure you have something under your towel, because like I said, the fibers in this towel are super thin, so the Gel Art ink will definitely seep through. So you want to make sure you're there's something underneath. I put a little plastic bag. I'm going to do some ornaments in blue on his antlers here. And so what you'll do is you'll just, this is part of the 'Tis the Season stencil kit. I think it's $16.99. I already did the reindeer and the green leaves, and they've dried. Now I'm going to do the ornaments here. So I'm going to take my blue, it's called Hush Your Mouth, and I'm going to apply it to the scraper first, and then I'm going to scrape it onto the stencil, like so.
That's really cool.
My son Troy's watching. You want to come over and say hello, Troy?
Sure. Hi.
And then after you've gotten the Gel Art ink onto the stencil, you can just rip it off. And show you what it looks like. And then we'll do another one. Now, if you want to be really careful, I could wash this in soap and water, wait till it was completely dry. You want to dry it on the non-sticky side up. Again, I'm going to put the Gel Art ink. I apply it to the scraper or to your finger, and then just scrape it right onto the ornament. So I have two boys. Luke is 13 and Troy is 10, who you just met, and Troy is in his last week of school, and then he will have 3 weeks of Christmas break. Not sure how I'm gonna do. It's a little difficult to work when your kids are at home, but we're gonna try it out and see, and he's gonna maybe help me because I could really use some help with my videos, right?
I helped you in one video.
He did. So come over here so they can see it. So he helped me introduce the chalk art subscription video in the month of November.
Yeah.
And we did a cute little sign. So he's my pal. We have a good time working together, huh?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Most
So
of the time.
what's on your Christmas wish list? Do you want kitchen towels?
No.
No, he said.
No, I don't want. I got most of what I wanted.
Well, he
already.
told me what he wanted, and I ordered it on Amazon.
Yeah, and then my dad got me stuff too.
Oh, that's good. Well, anyways, look at this cute Christmas towel. I also added earlier on a little red bow at the bottom of its neck. So this is a really big tea towel, the ones at IKEA that I bought. I did another one over here last night. I haven't put the ornaments on yet. And I folded the towel in half because sometimes it's nice to just hang your towel over your stove or your refrigerator door handle. What's nice about these 97-cent IKEA towels is they also have this little tag in the back, and you can also just hang it like that, which is why some of them I did it for the design to be right in the middle. Anyway, super cute kitchen towels. You can buy all the products on my website at createwithcynthia.com. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and you can give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you want, you can click on the notifications button, and then you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks so much.